huge country in Southwest Africa, and it's one of the most interesting places in the world. It's larger than Texas, and if you placed it off the coast of the eastern United States, it would roughly stretch from Boston down to Charleston, South Carolina. And yet, it's almost completely uninhabited by people and totally empty. Just take a look at this global map of human population density and pay close attention to Africa, where there's a big, empty void of people across the entire southwest corner of the continent. Namibia makes the most of that void, and there's only around 2.5 million people who live in this entire country that's about the same size as Western Europe. For context, that's even less people than live in just the Minneapolis-St. Paul metro area in the US state of Minnesota. This makes Namibia, on average, the second least densely populated country in the entire world, with only about 3 people per square kilometer of land on average. That's a lower population density than either Australia or Canada, and it's only just barely a higher density of people than Mongolia, the most sparsely populated country in the world. But the Namibian population pattern just gets weirder and weirder